The physical properties of building materials, demands for walls, roofs, windows, and floors. The risk reduction when building or remodeling a farm, and the procedural biosecurity, the physical biosecurity, and the operational biosecurity. So the properties of building materials, demands for walls. The general properties should be that they have heat insulation to maintain thermal balance, resistance to fire and water, and durable and easy to construct. The hygienic requirements are vapor sealing to prevent condensation, resistant to rodents, and smooth surface for easy cleaning and disinfectant. The optional materials are brickwork, concrete, precast walls, or mud bricks. And for the demands of the roof, it's important for insulation. Effective heat insulation should be around 17 to 21 kilometers W per meter squared. It should be light colored and have reflective materials to minimize heat gain. The roof should also allow vapor transmission to control indoor humidity. And the roof also has a structural role. It protects against precipitation and external elements, and it should be capable of carrying loads such as hay and grains. Regard for windows, the functions are to provide natural light and ventilation. They should be positioned strategically for optimal airflow. For the design considerations, you should want to minimize heat loss during the winter and use roof windows for wider stables, greater than 12 meters, to ensure illumination. In regard to the floors, the structural requirements should be non-slippy, durable, and resistant to cracks. There should also be a 3% slope for drainage towards dung areas. They should also be water resistant and easy to clean, and this will help minimize the germ and microorganism buildup. Floors can be slatted and be made of wood, plastic, or rubber for species like pigs, or there can be deep superficial bedding for comfort and hygiene. The risk reduction when building a farm or remodeling a farm is site selection. Avoid areas with high water levels or valley bottoms or hilltops. Consider the wind direction to limit airborne infections. And be sure to have protective distances. Maintain regulatory distances from roads, railways, and other farms to reduce pathogen transmission. And make sure there's structural integrity. Ensure durable materials for long-term use and ease of maintenance. The components of biosecurity are procedural biosecurity, physical biosecurity, and operational biosecurity. Procedure biosecurity is defining goals such as eradicating Salmonella or PRRS, and implementing protocols for risk assessment and monitoring. Physical biosecurity is having structural elements such as hygiene locks, disinfectants, and restriction zones such as clean and dirty areas, as well as controlling visitors and traffic. Operational biosecurity is having practical applications for everyday use, such as daily uses of disinfectants, vehicles, and equipment protocols. Have all-in, all-out systems for animal movements. And make sure the staff have regular cleaning and hygiene practices.